I've been working on this little grill out of a 1008 low carbon steel. This low carbon steel has been spectacular to work with. You can get it up to a higher heat without burning it as easily as you would regular mild steel. It forges easier and it's more forgiving as you get down to lower heats, so you can do your final finishing and smoothing below a scaling heat, and that leaves a much cleaner finish on the material. As far as forge welding goes, this is spectacular for forge welding. You can bring it up to that higher heat, and that makes it easier to forge weld. You can work with a little bit longer at welding heat. So it is really good stuff. If you're struggling to forge weld, this might help you get over that hurdle. And while I had hoped to talk to you about the material when I finish the grill, I'm not going to get it done as soon as I wanted to. The holiday season is here and there's lots of other obligations in life. So I wanted to make sure you knew about this material in time to get in on the pre-order for this. And actually the pre-order is for 1006 material, slightly less carbon than the 1008 material I'm working with here. This is all being arranged through the historic Blacksmith Conservancy. You can head over to their website for more information, pricing, get your request for a pre-order in. They are going to close out the pre-orders on December 5th, so if you're interested, you need to head on over there. There's no way I'm getting this grill done before the 5th, so I wanted to just do this quick little video so you knew this was available and you can head over there. I'm not sponsored by them. I don't get a commission for this. I'm paying full price for my order that I put in. Anyways, check it out if you're interested. In any case, I hope you have time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, have fun, stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next video.